Alright, so today I was wondering, what is it like inside freezers and refrigerators when you're not looking at them? So I decided I'm going to put my iPod in my freezer and then in my refrigerator and see what it looks like. Whee! In the freezer you go. Put a stick there. Glow stick! It's from the light wise. There you go. Okay. Maybe you don't get roasted. Bye! Have fun in my freezer! Thinking about it now, it's probably just a lot of black. Yeah. Alright, let's go in the fridge. Probably the same thing, but you know, why not try it? Alrighty guys. The fridge and you're going in it. Have some fun. Alright. Alrighty, how was that, guys? A lot of fun, I bet. Alright, bye.